Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing Glisten Glow's contribution to the May 2022 polish pickup. The theme for this month is National Parks and Landmarks, and Glisten Glow's offering a gorgeous reflective glitter polish called Northern Lights at Acadia, and they're also offering their Cuticle Remover in a large 1-ounce bottle with a dropper applicator in the scent Calm Seas. I'm going to start off by prepping my nails with the Cuticle Remover, and this month it comes in a large 1-ounce bottle with an easy-to-use dropper applicator. You simply squeeze the top of the dropper and then apply a little bit of the Cuticle Remover to your cuticles. Then I'm going to let that sit for about a minute or so, and then I'm going to take this glass cuticle pusher and push back my cuticles. The scent is Calm Seas, and it's described as a mild aroma of the salty sea with a clean, fresh vibe, inspired by the coastal waters which surround Acadia National Park in Maine. The cost for the Cuticle Remover is $13 and there is no cap. Then I wash my hands with warm soap and water, and my nails are ready for polish. And Glisten Glow's polish is a gorgeous reflective glitter polish called Northern Lights at Acadia, and it's described as a reflective glitter polish loaded with flashes of blue, purple, green, and silver. And it totally transforms under bright lighting, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And this polish is inspired by the northern lights that were visible at Acadia National Park in Maine. I applied 2 coats of this polish for full opacity. It does dry a little bit textured because of all those glitters, so I also applied a coat of Glisten Glow's glitter grabber as well as their top coat. So here's 2 coats of Glisten Glow's Northern Lights at Acadia under normal lighting with the glitter grabber and top coat. Under normal lighting, it's predominantly a grayish purple polish with some reflective silver glitters, but under a flashlight it completely morphs and you can really see those blue and purple and green and silver reflective glitters. The price for Northern Lights at Acadia is also $13 and there is no cap, and both the polish and the Cuticle Remover will be available at polishpickup.com and only until tomorrow, May 9th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll leave links down below in the description box below to where you can purchase these, but anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys next time. Bye!